Alright, my people, still on the account creation. I've already created my account. Now I need to log in into MT5. I copied the login, look for my MT5, search file, search, I use it, I go back, done. So I'm into the MT5 now, and I paste the name of, I go to account, paste the name of the broker. So if I paste the name, it will bring out, it's normally supposed to bring out the headway distance, so it's not correct. So I should go back again, copy the correct one, take it back and paste. If you paste it, the correct one this time, now it should bring out the headway distance. Yes, this is it, the headway broker. So you go back, you look for the login, take the login, you come back, swap, go to your MetaTrader 5, you paste the login, that's it. You go back, you look for your password. Now you create a password. They give you a dashboard where you can create a password. So you create a password which fits well for you. Me, I'm covering my own because of security reasons, but you should take notes of the situations that they give you while creating a password. Take note of all the information and what they require, symbols, characters, and everything. Take note, and don't forget your password. Be very important. So this is it. Copy, paste. My password is ready, and I'm pasting it now. So once this is done, it will just take me a while. Okay. Password should be ready soon. The account should be ready. Okay. Now I'm done. That's it. Yeah, the $1,000 that was in my account. Yeah, this is it. I've already gone into the account. Let's make a quick trade. It's already time for trade today. They just dropped news, and the market is going to make a good move soon. So let's trade. Let's say USD gold. Where's gold? Good is my, let's look for it. USD. That's good. This is good. Properties, you copy, go back, go to your chart. So go back to your trade to see good, open chart. Now this is the chart for good today. This is what good looks like in the market today on the 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. This is what the gold market looks like today. Go watch. I'm trying to set up the account. I'm trying to set the account in my own taste, the way I like my own account to be, colors and the rest. So this is a chart for a trade. This is a chart. Go to color. I choose the color I want. Go to my beer up. I choose the kind of green I would like it to be. Me, I like my green very dark, and I like it clear. I like seeing my trades and my candles clear because of complications. I like trading with ease, so I make everything easy for me. I place everything in a perfect order, easy for me. So that's it. And this is it. I choose the color. The color is all done. Go to beer, choose red, it's done. Go to the blue candle, make it same thing as the beer up and the blue up. Now go to the beer candle, still same thing, and set it to my own taste, the way I want it to be. So once I'm done, this is what it look like. Okay, this is it. Red, green, okay, perfect. So let's go and check what to set. Is there any error here? No, there's no error. Okay, then we should go check what we set. We will see how it is in the market. We'll check whether there are some other things we need to set up first before we go to the grid, the way the grid should be, so that it will be more clear and more clear to the eye, so that you'll be seeing the chart more clear. The grid, the lines will not be obstructed. The grid are those lines on the trade, on the chart, so that the lines will not be showing in your face. Yeah. So this is, you change it, make it more darker, so that it will be like, I made it this way so that it will be like the chart on its own, because the board of the chart is dark. So I make it dark so that it will look like everything looks more smooth that way for me. So wait, set. Now check things to on, check things that I need to set, and whatever. This is the chart. This is what the chart looks like. Now all those things that I've been setting, you see how the candles look clear. The green candles look clearly green. Red candles look clearly red. Now you should make a trade. Time to make a trade. So you can turn your camera the other way. Now before we place this trade, don't forget, like, subscribe and comment. Follow all my channels. Like, subscribe and comment. Please, this is all you can do for me to continue giving you all these benefits and all this explanation I'm giving you guys. Please like, comment and use them. So right now I'm analyzing a quick trade. They just dropped news and I'm analyzing a quick trade for December 24th of December. The trade dropped on jobless count, on US jobless count. So the rate wasn't good. Yes, it wasn't good. I mean, no, it was good. The dollar market was good. That was why the gold has to sell at some point. So all this thing very soon. Don't worry, I'll teach you guys about this one, but it will be another episode of trading. But for this one, you guys, let's just make a big trade on this one. I'll trade on this demo account and also use my real account to place a trade. So we are if you check, this market is respecting those zones. The zones that are marking down with the red arrow, the market is respecting them. It's coming back to those zones. Okay, keep watching. You see how many times the market bounces there, never breaks up. See how many times it bounces there. Just keep watching. Okay. Watch closely. All of these things that I'm showing you guys here, just watch closely. These are all you need to know when you're placing a trade. You need to analyze them. See the red lines I'm drawing up and now. I'm analyzing the trade. I'm analyzing where the market will go. I'm trying to find out the trend. I'm trying to find out the trend of the market, where the market will go, what to do. That's what I'm doing. Turn your phone. It will be better you turn your phone so that you see the way I'm doing it. It will be more easier for you guys to get out. It will be more easier for you guys to understand how we. Just calm. Don't forget, there is this thing in trading. You don't rush the market. You don't just run, open a chart because you see one candle that is red, you just press red, selling. Or you see one candle that is green, you just press green, buying. No, it's not so. If you do so, the market itself will sell you and buy you. No. You need to take your time, analyze the market, check the trend, check people who has more hand in the market right now. You check people who are currently moving the market and people who are not. That's what you do before you enter trade. Now, you see that candle there? You see that it has made another move. It has break out its former support zone, and that candle is a candle you should be looking out for. So the video cut short, sorry, because that was where I actually ended it for that day. But I later on that day the trade ran and it went to profit. I had the screenshot. I'll show you. This is the profit we made that day. Here the trade I've closed, like 2 has already closed on its own. After that the 2 has closed here. So yeah, 2 has closed while 1 was running. I left one. I watched the trade. I wanted to move the move, but I was quick. See the profit there. See the profit there. 1 is still open. 2 has already closed, and I've gotten that 2. So I left 1 because that's how I do my trade. I open trade market, put 2 at a normal 2 to 5 ratio, and let 1 run freely. So this is it. And my mind no good, I just close on. That's it for that day. Not enough profits, and I was okay for the trade for that day. No greed, no rush, no stress. Just made good profits. Thank you.